this question, very simple question from Frank. He says he's a first-time home seller, and he is wondering, when does he get his money when he sells his house?
When does he get his money? When he sells his house in
Right.
Kentucky? You go west of the Mississippi, they have different ways of handling things. But in Kentucky, you walk away with a check. So you get it right at the closing.
And how can he be sure that that check is good? I think is what his follow-up question
I
was.
see. Well, there's a couple ways to handle that. It's an attorney's escrow account, so there are certain restrictions there. If he wanted the money wired, money can be wired. And then it's an instant transference from one bank account to the other.
Interesting. All right, that should help. That hopefully answers your question, makes you sure the attorneys here they are regulated and they have to answer to a higher authority.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. Am I going to spend the next 10 to 15 years in a small room with an unpleasant roommate over the proceeds check? I guess is
Right now, no,
how I
that's not
look at it.